Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a simple calculator in Python is a great way to practice basic programming concepts. In this tutorial, we'll build a basic calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division operations. We'll also implement a simple user interface to input the numbers and choose the operation. Step 1. Setting up the Python environment. Make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You can download it from Python's official website. Once Python is installed, you can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, to write and run your Python code. Step 2. Writing the calculator code. Open your text editor or IDE and create a new Python file. Let's name it calculator.py. Add the following code to create a basic calculator. Step 3. Running the calculator. Save the calculator.py file and open a terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where the file is saved and run the script using the following command. Follow the on-screen instructions to input numbers and choose the operation. The calculator will then display the result. Step 4. Copy and paste the calculator code. You can easily copy the calculator.py code and paste it into your own Python environment. Modify the code as needed, or integrate it into a larger project. Feel free to expand on this basic calculator by adding more features or improving the user interface. This tutorial provides a foundation for building more complex calculators or integrating calculator functionality into other applications. ChatGPT.